Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In the last video we have installed this bagger system on S130. This bagger system is for S100 series. Today we will test out tractor and we'll show you how good this bagger system works. Now let's start. Now we are ready to mow our lawn, but before we're gonna talk about some safeties. Really careful for this tractor you have to. You must follow all the safeties. I turned off because the noise. So after you have started your lawnmower, there is a lever that will be the speed, reference your acceleration, slow or fast. Then brake pad when released, and this side there's two pedals, backward and forward. Also you have a cruise system. You can put to forward speed and left to the cruise. Then this one is the lawnmower PTU at the bottom, start and stop. This tractor also has some safeties. If you get up from the seat, the tractor will shut down, because there is a chance if you get out of the tractor, your feet can go under the lawnmower and the running blade can cut your feet. That's why only one concern, everything is safely packed with this tractor, but just in case if you have somebody helping you, make sure if your tractor running, nobody come close to the tractor. Now we are ready to start. I will start again. Now we are ready. We will mow this area. I will keep at 2.5 inch high, and we will see how this bagger system performing. I have already tested and it worked really great. Let's see today in the video. I can show you how good this bagger system is. One thing need to be really important, this bagger system to work great. It comes with the blade system. You have to have blades for the bagger system. If it's not, they will not push your grass. The one is cut inside the bagger, it will leave on the ground. I have everything ready. Now let's start. One almost full. One just a little bit. So from here I did not get much because there was not a tall grass. I just cut 2 weeks ago. From the backyard I have a tall fescue grass. I got almost 2 full, and this bagger system is doing really great job. I did not see leaving any grass behind. Might be minor escaping through the room we have at the bottom. Since I have a 2.5 inch, little bit high, might be escaping through the bottom, but other than it's doing really great job, and I really like it. That's the second or third time I have used these bagger system. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you next video with a new topic.